Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back again to one another amazing podcast. This podcast is not technical, but at the same time very valuable because in today's podcast we're going to talk more about the management, statistics, how business works, how money works, what is the importance of doing management and all those crazy stuff, how to build the business altogether in short. So we have a great professor and management expert. So AA Dr. AA Attarwala, sir. Hi, sir. How are you?
Hello, how are you? Fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Sir, thank you so much for giving your precious time and, connecting with us, accepting our request. So, sir, would you please give me your short introduction, what you are doing, where you are up to, and how was your journey? We'll go in your journey in detail. Some
Yes,
some introduction about yourself. Please go ahead.
yes. Basically, Akshay, I am an academician.
Yeah.
I have completed 47 years in academics. I
Wow, sir,
start,
47. You're great, sir. Please
yeah,
go ahead, sir.
I
Yeah.
I started my career as a
Mm.
lecturer on 30th November 1978,
Wow.
and today is 22nd February 2026. So I am on the job.
Oh, amazing, sir. Amazing. I was not aware you are having this much great experience. Please, sir, go ahead.
So basically, I am from Baroda,
Hmm.
Gujarat.
Great.
I completed my graduation from Baroda.
Hmm.
I did my BSc in mathematics from renowned MS University of Baroda,
Hmm, hmm.
Maharaja Sayaji Rao University of Baroda.
Great, sir.
And in my BSc, I topped the university, and
Yeah.
I am the gold medalist of MS University of Baroda with
Great, sir.
91% marks that time in BSc.
Great, sir. Great. It's honor
Then
to meet you,
after
sir.
that, I joined IIT Mumbai,
Yeah.
and that time it was IIT Bombay,
Ha,
and
ha,
I
ha.
did my MSc in mathematics,
Ah, yeah.
and I did my MSc mathematics in applied mathematics.
Applied mathematics. Right.
Applied mathematics. Then I was given admission in IIT for PhD program, but they were
Great.
not giving the subject of my choice. I was
Hmm.
interested more in statistics operations research, but they were
Ha, ha.
giving me some mechanics and all.
Hmm.
But my guide told me that don't worry, this is a good subject and you will
Hmm.
get a very good job.
Hmm.
And but then that time there were some family problems. So for
Hmm.
1.5 years, I went to Baroda
Ha,
to do
ha.
my PhD in statistics.
Okay. Okay.
So I did some progress over there, but then my family was more in need of money,
Yeah.
food,
Hmm.
etc.,
Hmm.
rather than my PhD. So I
Hmm.
discontinued PhD in Baroda, and
Okay.
then I came back to Mumbai again.
Hmm.
And fortunately for me, I got there was a vacancy in Hinduja College, so I
Hmm.
got a job in
Okay.
Hinduja College. But
Great,
I
sir.
remained only 6 months in Hinduja College, and then I
Hmm.
shifted to Jai Hind College, one of
Okay.
the renowned colleges of Mumbai.
Ha, ha, ha.
So I joined Jai Hind College,
Ha, ha.
and there also I was a very popular teacher.
You
And
are, sir.
yeah,
Yeah.
and simultaneously I was teaching CS students, Chartered
Okay.
Accountant, because that time
Huh.
in CA final there was one subject called Operations Research,
Operations research. Okay. Huh.
OR. So that operations research was a good subject.
Ha,
So
ha.
it was in good demand because it was 100 marks paper in
Hmm.
second group of CA final.
Ha,
And
ha, ha,
many
ha.
students used to get 90, 91 marks, and because of that, they used to pass their second group. Because in second group, they used to require 40 marks individually and
Okay.
total 200.
Hmm.
So
Hmm. Hmm.
40 they were managing in other
Hmm.
subject, but in
Hmm.
OR they used to score 70, 80. And
Hmm.
because of that, their total used to be more than 200.
Okay.
So I was that way popular.
Ha, ha,
And
ha,
for
ha.
7 years, I worked in Jai Hind College. Then I thought that I must do something related to management. So I
Hmm.
joined
Hmm.
Japnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies,
Ha,
and
ha.
I did my MBA in finance from
Nice.
Bajaj. So from mathematics, I shifted to finance.
Finance. Yeah.
Yeah. And then I uh, got my degree and I joined SP Jain Management Institute in
Hmm.
1986.
Nice, sir.
But SP Jain Management Institute that time was in Doldaram. So that new
Huh.
director who came, he said that we don't have fund, we don't
Uh-huh.
have money.
Huh.
Management has made mistake to appoint you, so you get out. I said,
Okay.
"Sir, I
Okay.
left my government job. And how can
Yeah.
you say that you leave it?"
Yeah.
Then he said, no, no, nothing can be done. But then fortunately, I got another government job only
Okay.
immediately
Huh.
in LS Raheja College. And there I worked continuously 26 years.
Great, sir. Great. Great.
So
26
side
years.
by side, I was doing tuitions also. I was
Huh.
studying also.
Huh.
And
Huh.
I
Huh.
was teaching in coaching classes also. I
Okay.
had my own classes also.
Great, sir.
I developed new subjects. I
Okay.
I
Huh.
developed not only mathematics, statistics. I
Mm-hmm.
developed econometrics, which is one of the
Econometrics.
best and
Hmm.
difficult subjects. And
Mm-hmm.
I always concentrated on those subjects where fewer people are available, so that
Hmm.
there is a demand.
Demand. Correct.
Like
You are smart,
accounting,
sir.
anybody can teach,
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
but econometrics everybody can't teach. So I
Econometrics.
concentrated more on such subjects. Then I developed project management. Then
Huh.
I developed decision science. So
Decision
all these
science.
subjects helped me to develop and grow myself.
Hmm.
And then out of 10 management institutes in Mumbai,
Hmm.
I was teaching in 6 management institutes
Hmm.
as a visiting faculty because my
Amazing,
college
sir.
used to be up to 12 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, you
After
had a
12,
time
used
after that.
to,
Yeah.
yeah, so I used to visit various colleges and all.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
therefore, I have a very strong alumni because I have so many students I have taught. So
Hmm.
they are today well placed. So wherever I go, they meet me, sir, you taught me here, sir, you taught me there.
Amazing,
So
sir.
I
Amazing.
that way I attain
Yeah.
very good reputation among students because I was very popular teacher and helpful teacher. Of course,
That
I
is very
suffered.
important, sir. Yes.
Yeah,
So good
helpful.
of you.
I used to
Yeah.
always help them, guide them properly, and
Yeah.
never used to get angry on their question. Whatever
Mm-hmm.
the question they used to ask, I used to the best of my knowledge, I used to satisfy their answer questions. So
Great,
that
sir.
way, I today also I am very popular, and
Mm-hmm.
now finally I am at NL Dalmia Management Institute
Mm-hmm.
of Mumbai,
Yeah.
which is one of the best institutes in India.
Right.
We are very famous for finance specialization.
Okay.
We have total 7 divisions
Okay.
with intake of 420 students.
Okay.
So we get every year 420 students. And
Mm-hmm.
I joined here in 2022
Okay.
and as a professor emeritus. Now this is my
Mm.
topmost last category of academic title,
Mm. Right.
professor emeritus.
So
So
what is mean by emeritus here, sir? I have not heard
emeritus
this.
is a
Uh,
respect.
Okay. It's a
It's a
title.
respect
Ah.
title.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
a, like see in academic cadre, what happen? You start with assistant professor,
Right. Right.
then you have associate professor, then
Correct.
you are professor, and
Okay.
then last is after 70. Once
Huh.
once you cross 70 years of age, then
Huh.
you can get this title of professor emeritus.
Emeritus. Great,
And
sir.
professor emeritus
Mm.
is not the retirable job.
Oh,
You continue, yeah, as long as you wish to continue.
great,
So
sir.
there is no government restriction. It's an
Uh-huh.
honorable post.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So it's an honorary post. So I'm a
Uh-huh.
respected teacher. So here also I teach many subjects like
Uh-huh.
mathematics, statistics,
Uh-huh.
econometrics,
Uh-huh.
project management, uh, business analytics, business research methods. So all these things I teach. I teach them SPSS
Hmm.
software. I teach them
Yes.
Microsoft Excel.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, how to use
Yeah.
Microsoft Excel in statistics and all.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
all these things I do, but I keep on learning. You won't believe, today
Mm-hmm.
also I'm sitting in the college.
Mm.
I come here Monday to Sunday every day.
Yes, sir.
Monday,
That's a
no
surprising thing
holiday.
actually. Yeah, whole
No
week you
holiday.
are continuously going office, like
Yeah.
going, sitting, learning
Only thing that
something new.
Friday I come half day after
Huh.
prayer and all I come. Yeah, I
Okay.
come first and then go for prayer and then
Yeah.
don't
Yeah.
come.
Yes.
Otherwise, full Saturday, Sunday I am here. Now I am looking after at NL Dalmia Management Institute one
Uh-huh.
program called PGDM for working professional. That is weekend program.
Okay.
Saturday, Sunday, the lectures are held. So I
Uh-huh.
am teaching students and also supervising the program.
Right.
So that I am doing here. So
Amazing, sir.
my suggestion to all the students is that please work hard. There is no
Hmm.
substitute for hard work. You
True.
have to work because I know how much I have slogged.
Hmm.
16 hours minimum I was working. 16 hours. At
16
that
hours.
time, everything. I did not have a home in Mumbai.
Hmm.
I was staying in hostel. Then I
Hmm.
purchased a home. I took loan from people. I took loan from HDFC. But
Hmm.
then I struggle. And then I used to go get the ways. And I used to
Right.
get good people to advise me also.
Right, sir.
Fortunately, I have that asset that I always
Huh.
got good people. Now today, to
Hmm.
my right, Professor Samit Kulkarni sir is sitting with me. I
Yeah,
have
yeah.
learned a lot from him. And today
Great, sir.
also I am learning. So every
Yeah.
week, once in a week, he comes here. Today, because of our podcast, I have called him.
Yes,
So
sir.
thank you, Samir sir.
Thanks,
So
thanks.
where I get good friends.
Yes,
I get
sir.
good friends and I help
Hmm.
them. So that is one thing. And everybody should do. Now today, what happened? Management student, अरे
Hmm.
ये तो 4 लाख का जॉब है, ये तो 5 लाख का जॉब।
Right. Right.
अरे जो मिले ले लो पहले, घुस जाओ कंपनी में।
बढ़िया है।
घर में बैठोगे तो 1000 ख़्याल आएगा, 1000
खाल
सोच होगी।
वो एक कोट है ना सर, खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर होता है।
हाँ, खाली खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर है। तो
राइट।
मैं बोलता हूँ बच्चों को, "अरे भाई ले
हाँ।
लो ना।" अरे उसको तो 12 लाख मिला, मेरे को
हुँ,
6 लाख देता है। अरे 6
हुँ।
तो 6 तू 6 का अथरा कर ना, वो 12
हाँ,
का 13 करेगा, तू 6 का अथरा करके दिखा ना।
करेक्ट,
तू
करेक्ट,
घुस जा एक बार,
करेक्ट, करेक्ट।
पैसा आना चाहिए, कैश फ्लो शुड बी देयर।
राइट
So I
सर।
always tell students, "Okay, you
हुँ,
do this, go get a job, go,
राइट।
enter.
हुँ,
You will learn a lot because
हुँ।
here academic is totally different, corporate is totally
कॉर्पोरेट इज़
different.
डिफरेंट,
आप
राइट,
भी जानते हैं. So
राइट सर।
you go learn, and then progress will be there. But if you say that on day one they should make you vice president, that is not possible.
नॉट पॉसिबल, नॉट
That
पॉसिबल,
even
ट्रू।
your father-in-law will not make you.
Right, right, right. Sir, you
हाँ,
had a amazing, great journey, and you have a vast experience and the renowned respect also in the society and the titles what you have, Professor Emerit. So respect you. Thank you so much for again connecting with us. And I will try my best to get valued for next 60 minutes whatever we are going to convey to get best out of your time, right? So I'll
yeah.
try to ask that best type of questions. So very first question, sir, I have here. So you have a background of business analytics, right? Finance, statistics. So simple question I have here: how money works? Like if you want to define this term to someone who is building the business recently. Let's say I'm the founder of Manorekha.com, Manorekha Tech Innovations. I started my venture very recently. So if you want to give your thoughts to someone who are building, they now they are eager to get more money in their business. So what should be their founder focus with when they think about the money versus their work or versus their whatever things? Yeah.
So two things. One is that they
Yeah.
should start somewhere.
Hmm,
They should start somewhere. They should not wait for the opportunity कि नहीं 6 लाख का जॉब मिलेगा या ऐसा
hmm,
होगा.
hmm,
No,
hmm, hmm,
start
hmm,
with something.
hmm,
मैं तो
hmm.
बोलता हूँ आपको वड़ा पाव समोसा भी बेचना है तो बेचो,
बेचो,
करो,
बेचो,
स्टार्ट करो.
स्टार्ट
फिर
करो,
उससे
राइट।
बहुत रास्ते मिलेंगे.
हाँ,
You will get lots of ways. You
हाँ।
will get lots of ideas.
हुँ, हुँ, हुँ,
अरे
हुँ।
मैं आज समोसा बेचता हूँ, पिज़्ज़ा क्यों नहीं बेचूँ? अरे
हुँ।
ये इसके अच्छा है तो पानी पूरी बेचूँ तो अच्छा है. So
हाँ,
you will
हाँ।
get lots of work. So one is this and second is there is no substitute for hard work. I said that if you
हुँ, हुँ,
do
हुँ,
hard work, no,
हुँ,
you will be paid for that.
हुँ।
Hard work and determination
हुँ,
will automatically money will come.
या,
I'm sure money will come. It will take
हाँ,
time, but it will come.
हाँ।
But you have to dedicate yourself to some work and एक path होना चाहिए.
हुँ, हुँ,
You
हुँ,
should not have every mind इधर जाओ उधर जाओ. एक
हुँ,
path होना चाहिए कि भाई I want to start here.
हुँ,
So let us start here and
हुँ,
let us spend 4 5 years there and see what is the result.
हुँ,
After that you decide what whether in the whatever job or whatever assignment you have taken is okay for you. Yeah,
हुँ,
you need a change.
राइट,
Then afterwards automatically your friends will help you, your other colleagues will help you. एंड दे
हुँ,
विल टेल यू के बाबा इससे अच्छा ये करो। मुझे भी ऐसा ही दिया ने, मुझे मेरे
हुँ,
प्रोफेसर कब कितना बोलते थे तब।
हाँ,
मैं नहीं सुना उनका, वो बोले आप
हाँ,
कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग कर लो, आईसीडब्ल्यू कर लो।
हाँ, हाँ,
टीचर
हाँ,
वाला
हाँ,
यू डू इट, प्लीज़ डू
हाँ,
इट।
हाँ,
बेचारे एक बार तो एक मेरे प्रोफेसर मेरे गुरु थे, उनका
हाँ,
नाम भी डॉक्टर गुरु प्रसाद मूर्ति था।
वाह!
वो मुझे बोला
हाँ,
चल मैं तेरे साथ आता हूँ रजिस्टर कराने के लिए, वहाँ तक।
हाँ,
एंड ही वाज़ अ प्रोफेसर ऑफ बजाज इंस्टीट्यूट,
बजाज
नॉट अ
इंस्टीट्यूट,
स्मॉल पर्सन। तो
हाँ,
भी मुझे इतना बोलते थे। जो
हाँ,
मैंने आज वो उनकी बात सुनी होती
हाँ,
एंड किया होता तो भी आई थिंक थोड़ा और मेरा चेंज हो जाता बिकॉज़
हुँ,
I would have been a cost consultant also apart from this what I am doing.
हुँ, हुँ,
But
हुँ, हुँ,
anyway, no
हुँ,
regret.
हुँ,
हो
हुँ,
गया जाने दो.
राइट,
But then I tell always my students कि
हुँ,
please acquire one professional qualification. That is a
हुँ,
must. Like
हुँ,
today finance student तो CFA try करो,
हुँ,
CPA try करो, but something you should have.
ओके,
CA is difficult चलो,
हाँ,
C ICW is difficult, but at least CA में I am myself qualified chartered management accountant from Australia.
हाँ, हाँ,
I did
या,
it. I
या,
did my CMA also from Australia.
राइट,
So that way I keep on learning. Today even I learn. Samir sir is sitting next to me. We learn. We
हुँ,
discuss so many things. New things we learn. We
या,
develop new things. And
राइट
that is
सर,
the way that the lecture remains my life.
हुँ,
So
हुँ,
my
हुँ, हुँ,
suggestion to make money. Money will come. Definitely will come. And we need money. Money is ultimate today. Because
राइट,
we are valued not by my qualification. We are valued
हुँ,
how many flats I have got, how many cars I have got, how much my bank balance. People see that, even my children see that.
राइट,
Children say, अरे पापा तुमने कुछ नहीं किया लाइफ में। हाँ,
हाँ,
देखो हमारा पड़ोसी का बेटा ऐसा है,
हाँ,
उसका पापा
हाँ,
वैसा है। तो
हाँ,
टू द चिल्ड्रन कंपेयर नो, सो वी हैव फॉर
हुँ,
चिल्ड्रन वी हैव टू डू समथिंग।
हुँ,
सो
हुँ,
मनी
हुँ, हुँ,
कमाने के लिए मेहनत करोगे तो ऑटोमेटिक आ जाएगा,
आ
मैं तो
जाएगा,
बोलता हूँ।
हुँ,
That is my
राइट,
suggestion to people.
हुँ,
Get started somewhere and
हुँ,
work hard बस।
ओके,
आज हाँ,
परफेक्ट,
आज कुछ भी नहीं है तो आप एक जॉब करते हो, सैटरडे
हाँ,
संडे टाइम है, आइदर
हाँ,
स्टडी करो या कुछ
हाँ,
पार्ट टाइम जॉब करो मगर करो,
करो,
बैठो
राइट,
मत घर पे।
बैठो मत,
हुँ,
ट्रू सर, ट्रू,
यस।
अमेजिंग। सर मेरा और एक सवाल है यहाँ पे, सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट स्टैटिस्टिक्स, राइट? सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दैट? थोड़ा आप इसको अच्छे से सिंपल टर्म्स में एक्सप्लेन करके बताएंगे कि व्हाट इज मीनिंग बाय स्टैटिस्टिक्स और हाउ शुड वी डू दिस? या,
Yeah, sir.
हाँ,
Uh, See, statistics basically is a subject, very simple subject
या,
that helps us for decision making.
राइट,
Ekdam simple. If you
राइट,
want to take a decision, you need statistics.
करेक्ट,
Anything like investment, you have two choice A and B. Statistics will tell you which
हुँ,
is better,
हुँ,
A or B.
राइट,
So statistics basically deals with data.
करेक्ट,
It analyzes data. It say interprets data. It puts the data in a tabular form. It puts data in a graphical form so that a layman can understand
ओके,
what the data is. Like I have
करेक्ट,
hodgepodge of data, I can segregate so many male, so many
हुँ,
female, so many married, so many unmarried. So
हुँ,
at a
हुँ,
glance, any layman can understand it.
ओके,
And then analysis is very important.
हुँ, 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 हुँ,
So,
राइट,
so tomorrow, if I want to know, say share market. Now share market
राइट,
works only on analysis.
करेक्ट,
Share market works only on analysis. So that is statistics only. Well, the price today increased by 10% of
हुँ,
previous day.
हुँ,
So that is statistics.
करेक्ट,
Basically, it is a data decision making. But I
हुँ,
can say,
perfect, sir, perfect, perfect. Now I have a follow-up question on the
yeah,
statistics. Let's say if someone is starting a business, because now so many people start that, but they don't analyze or they don't do proper statistics, and their businesses fails. So what's your suggestion? Like, what are the parameters you must need to analyze while building something or while doing any business? What's your
yeah.
take on that,
First
sir?
of all,
Yeah.
you should
Hmm.
have the alternatives. See, don't
Alternatives.
start with one business. Ask
Okay.
for alternatives. What are the
Okay.
alternatives?
Hmm.
Options available.
Hmm.
And then for each option, find out your cost benefit. What is
Okay.
your cost? What is
Hmm.
your benefit? and
Hmm.
then see the risk, how much risk is associated with each business.
Yeah. Risk.
Risk is also very important.
Hmm. Hmm.
So risk is there,
Hmm.
cost is there,
Hmm.
benefit is there,
Hmm.
and ethics. The
Ethics.
business should be ethical.
Yeah.
Without ethics, you cannot do anything.
Right, sir.
Now, today I can't sell daru. It is a good business, no doubt, but it is not there. It
Ethical.
is not
Correct.
my job. After so many years of experience, I start selling liquor.
Hmm.
So
Hmm, hmm.
ethics should be there. So
Right.
this is my, and that's where statistics help. So many good
Hmm.
people, good consultant, they are good statistician. They will always see data and then they will go by this. कि देखो
Hmm.
उसने ऐसा किया, उसने ऐसा मेहनत किया, उसका डेटा बता रहा है कि ये है,
Hmm.
इसी
Hmm. Hmm.
वजह से वो आगे आया.
Hmm.
So that is very important. So
Okay.
statistics helps you to take best option from the available options.
Okay.
Select the
Okay.
best option from the available.
Select the best option from the available options. Okay. Cool, sir. सर मेरा यहाँ पे और एक सवाल है जैसे यू मेंशन कि स्टैटिस्टिक्स सबसे पहले तो अल्टरनेटिव्स ढूंढो फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट बेनिफिट रिस्क एंड आइडेंटिफाई द इथिकल फैक्टर आउट ऑफ इट कि वॉट एवर बिजनेस यू आर ट्राइंग टू डू इज इट इथिकल और नॉट लेट्स से कि चलो ठीक है मैंने एनालाइज किया मुझे समझ में आया कि मेरा बिजनेस कौन सा करना है मुझे मान के चलो मैं कोई आईटी सर्विसेज रन करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ राइट तो अभी मार्केट में पैसे चाहिए कोई भी बिजनेस बनाने के लिए राइट सो व्हाट्स योर सजेशन जब बात आती है पैसों की तो इंडिया में ऐसे कौन से ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है या एज अ अर्ली बिजनेस एंटरप्रेन्योर को अपने बिजनेस में पैसे लाने के लिए कौन-कौन से चीजें करनी चाहिए या उसके पैसे को कैसे मैनेज करना चाहिए जिससे वो इफेक्टिवली उसको यूज कर सके
So see, first of all, तो पैसे लाने के लिए तो पैसे चाहिए. So
करेक्ट
nowadays, तो what has happened
हम्म
that
हम्म
you get lots of loan. If
हम्म
you have a good project, no, lots of funding is available. And there are some
हम्म
private person, people who are ready to give you money. Like
राइट
say, for example, I have a friend like who is a big chartered accountant. He has lots
हम्म
of money. He said, okay, Atharwala, you want to start business? Okay,
हम्म
I will fund it.
हम्म
I will fund it. So that
हाँ हाँ
type of friendship you should have and you
ओके
should find out.
हम्म
कि भाई हमारे को हेल्प
हाँ
करने वाला कोई यार
हाँ
बैक अपने सपोर्ट करने
सपोर्ट
वाला आगे बढ़
हाँ
मैं हूँ.
करेक्ट
तू है कोई भी तकलीफ आएगी मैं बैठा हूँ.
ओके
तेरे को कभी भी 50,000 लाख रुपए चाहिए आ जा मेरे घर पे तैयार
हाँ
है लेके चला जा. तेरा काम
बराबर
बढ़ा आगे बढ़ा. तो ये
बराबर
सब डेवलप करना पड़ेगा कि अपना ग्रुप वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. पैसे तो
हम्म
चाहिए
हम्म
एंड वो आएगा पैसे तो आएगा.
ओके
पैसे तो आप मेहनत करोगे तो चौक्कस आता है. हर आदमी कमाता है.
हम्म
आज
बराबर
जो भी आप देखोगे धीरूभाई अंबानी या गौतम अदानी साहब ये लोग
हुँ,
भी पैसे कमाए अभी कमाए. पहले क्या थे वो लोग.
पहले नहीं थे।
मुकेश भाई का बात ठीक है कि वो तो चलती गाड़ी पे आ गए हैं, मगर जो
हुँ,
धीरूभाई जी ने मेहनत की वो अलग बात थी. तो
करेक्ट।
वो ऐसे आता है मेहनत करोगे एंड एक सपोर्ट मिल जाता है
हुँ,
आदमी.
राइट।
तो आज से टुडे आई आई हैव ए प्रोजेक्ट.
हुँ,
मैं फ्रैंकली बोलता हूँ मेरा खुद का
हाँ,
एक प्रोजेक्ट है. हमारी बिल्डिंग रीडेवलपमेंट में जाती है.
ओके,
1000 करोड़ है. तो भी
ओके,
मैं हिम्मत नहीं हारता हूँ. अभी भी मैं
हाँ,
कोशिश करता हूँ कि कोई
हाँ,
मुझे मिले
हाँ,
कि फंड करे तो
हुँ,
उसको मैं 200 करोड़ कमा के दूंगा.
क्या
आई
बात है।
कैन डू दैट. ट्वेंटी
हुँ,
परसेंट उसको आराम से कमाएगा और एक दो फ्लैट उसके नाम के वो बिल्डिंग में हो जाएंगे वो अलग.
क्या
चार
बात है।
बिल्डिंग मिलके सिक्स
हाँ,
थाउजेंड स्क्वायर मीटर का हमारा एरिया है जो
हाँ,
रीडेवलपमेंट में जा रही है.
क्या
So I'm doing that, and
हुँ,
then
हुँ, हुँ,
for that, see, I'm trying to get good people and good connection. There are some people
हुँ,
who have lots of money, but I
हाँ,
don't want to name them.
या, हुँ,
One of them is only is the politician.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
So they have lots of money,
हुँ,
so
हुँ,
they
हुँ,
can fund it, and
करेक्ट,
they can remain behind. I can be in the front.
करेक्ट,
But that type of contact, I'm trying. I'm
हुँ,
still working on it. कि if
ओके,
I get
हुँ,
somebody to support me कि हाँ
हुँ,
चल भाई तू आगे बढ़ ये
हाँ,
बिल्डिंग अपन बनाते हैं चलो.
हुँ,
पैसा
हुँ,
मैं
हुँ,
पूरा मैं इन्वेस्ट करता हूँ एंड हम
करेक्ट,
जल्दी से जल्दी बना के रख देते हैं. तो एक बार
करेक्ट,
एक अच्छी बिल्डिंग बनाई 200 करोड़ कमाए
हाँ,
तुरंत इमीडिएटली दूसरा प्रोजेक्ट अपने हाथ में आ ही जाएगा.
करेक्ट,
सो दैट वे यू शुड कीप गुड थॉट ऑल्सो.
हुँ,
गुड थॉट कि भाई नहीं, अभी ये मैं तो इतना कैपेबल नहीं हूँ कि 1000 करोड़ का सोचूं भी, पर तो भी आज है कि कोई
हाँ।
ऐसा बंदा मिल गया कि मुझे बोले कि चल तू आगे
हुँ।
बढ़, मैं तेरे को
हुँ।
फंडिंग पूरा करता हूँ। एंड
हाँ।
वो पॉसिबल है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि नहीं
हुँ।
पॉसिबल है, थोड़ा इधर उधर
हुँ।
भागना पड़ता है। एंड
हाँ।
टुडे आई इवन आई हैव हर्ड दैट देयर आर सम this religious people, they have lots of money, some
राइट।
Pandit,
हुँ, हुँ,
Sadhu,
हुँ।
they have
हुँ।
crores of rupees.
या।
They are giving that, okay भाई हम
हाँ।
तो आगे नहीं आएंगे, हम तो बता नहीं
हाँ।
सकते, आप
हुँ।
जाओ, मगर ऐसे कांटेक्ट मिलना चाहिए। बट वो भी हो सकता है, अभी
हुँ।
मैं ये सब छोड़ के करूँ तो मैं जो वो कर
हुँ।
सकता है, मैं मिल सकता है, ऐसा नहीं है नहीं मिल सकता।
हाँ, 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 हाँ।
तो वो दिस इज द वे वी शुड हैव ए थॉट आल्सो। थॉट
हुँ।
प्रोसेस, भले अपना खीसे में, वो अमिताभ बच्चन का डायलॉग नहीं है कि मेरे खीसे में 1 रुपया भी नहीं है, मगर मैं
हाँ,
कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ।
कर सकता हूँ।
ऐसा कर सकते हैं।
हुँ।
एंड दिस इज अ फिजिबल प्रोजेक्ट, हो सकता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
हाँ, हाँ,
1000 करोड़ वाले बहुत लोग हैं, बहुत से लोग हैं जिसके पास ऑफिशियल पैसे हैं इतने, वो दे भी
हुँ।
सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। ओनली थिंग दैट यू शुड हैव अ गुड कन्विंसिंग पावर। यू शुड
कन्विंसिंग पावर।
कन्विंस, या
हुँ।
कन्विंसिंग पावर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। कि भाई
हाँ।
देखो, इसमें आपके पैसे डूबने वाले नहीं है, पैसे
हुँ।
मिलेंगे। और आप अपना पैसे अभी से डालोगे
हुँ।
ईमानदारी से एंड
हाँ।
तैयार रखोगे, तो
हुँ।
बिल्डिंग जो 3 साल में बनती है, 4 साल में बनती है, हम 1.5 साल में बना के दे देंगे। क्योंकि
हाँ।
अपने पास पैसे है, तो रॉ मटेरियल हम जल्दी जल्दी खरीद
जल्दी खरीद
लेंगे।
लेंगे।
एंड
बराबर।
वो रॉ मटेरियल हम खरीदने के लिए भी हम वो सप्लायर से बार्गेन कर सकते हैं कि भाई दूसरे 3 महीने का
बल्क में
क्रेडिट
चाहिए
लेकर मैं
हमको। हाँ।
रोकड़ा है, मैं
हाँ।
रोकड़ा देता हूँ तेरे को, चल
हुँ।
भाव बता। तो
करेक्ट,
सप्लायर
करेक्ट,
भी अपने को कम भाव में देगा। तो
करेक्ट।
दिस इज द वे थिंग्स शुड मूव एंड पीपल शुड मूव। एंड दैट इज
हुँ।
व्हाई यू सी दैट नॉट ओनली गौतम भाई, ऐसे बहुत से लोग हैं जो रास्ते पे से महलों में आ गए।
राइट, राइट,
तो
राइट।
डिटर्मिनेशन एक चाहिए।
डिटर्मिनेशन एक चाहिए बिज़नेस में। करेक्ट सर। अमेज़िंग, अमेज़िंग थॉट। सर और एक यहाँ पे मेरा एक फ़ॉलो-अप क्वेश्चन है।
जी।
जैसे जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि सी ओके, हम हाथ पैर मारेंगे मतलब वी हैव अ कनेक्शंस, विल गेट द फंड, बट अल्टीमेटली क्या होता है ना, लाइक व्हाट एवर ट्रेंड वी सी, दिस इज लिटिल सिचुएशनल बेस्ड क्वेश्चन सा। बहुत से लोग अभी फंडिंग का कल्चर चल रहा है, यू ऑलरेडी नो सर, देयर इज अ शार्क टैंक और ऐसे भी और बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स चल रहे हैं, प्राइवेट फंड जो देते हैं लोग। और अभी लोग जाता है, कोई भी बिजनेस बनाता है या बहुत से लोग तो पब्लिसिटी के लिए भी जाते हैं शार्क टैंक पे कि चले जाओ, भले डील बने ना बने, बट यू विल गेट एटलीस्ट अ फ्री पब्लिसिटी और समथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट? तो मेरा सवाल मेन ये है कि मान के चलो आपके पास में एकदम से पैसा आ गया, ठीक है, आपका आइडिया उतना अच्छा नहीं था या आप उतने प्रिपेयर नहीं थे, बट बाय एनी चांस और बाय लक आपने किसी को कन्विंस कर दिया, उसने आपको पैसे दे दिया। बट फिर अभी लोग ना उसको पैसे को सही से यूज़ नहीं कर पाते एंड देन मोस्ट ऑफ द बिज़नेसेस फेल। मैंने ये भी एक देखा कि इन्वेस्टर के पैसे डूब जाते हैं। देन इन्वेस्टर नेक्स्ट टाइम से सोचता है कि मैं अभी पैसे देना ही बंद कर देता हूँ या मैं पैसे ही ना दूँ ऐसे लोगों को। तो वहाँ पे सर पूरा एक इकोसिस्टम खराब होता है। तो आपका स्पेसिफिक एडवाइस या सजेशन ऐसे लोगों के लिए जिनको पैसे मिलता है बट वो यूज़ नहीं कर पाते सही से या उनको नहीं पता कैसे यूज़ करना, तो व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट सर?
सी,
हुँ।
वो उसके लिए आई विल टेल देम वन थिंग दैट
हुँ।
एक बार दे बिकम, नो, सम ऑफ देम बिकम, वन दे गेट द मनी, नो, दे बिकम नियो
हुँ।
रिच, एनईओ, नियो रिच,
हुँ,
मीन्स
हुँ, हुँ।
दे लूज द कंट्रोल।
या,
फिर दे विल नॉट टॉक टू पीपल प्रॉपरली,
या।
बिकॉज़ वो खुद बहुत, हमारे बहुत से गुजरात में ऐसे होते हैं, अहमदाबाद
अच्छा।
में, गुजरात में, बड़ौदा में, सूरत
हाँ,
में,
हाँ,
ऐसे
हाँ।
होता है नियो रिच पीपल,
नियो
जो
रिच
क्या
पीपल,
करते हैं ना
हाँ।
कि एक दिन ओवरनाइट पैसे आने से
हाँ,
वो लोग अपना खुद भूल जाते हैं कि क्या थे और
और
क्या
क्या
है।
है? हुँ,
फिर हर
हुँ,
एक का इंसल्ट करने लगते हैं। तो
हुँ,
ये नहीं होना चाहिए। यू डोंट
हुँ,
फॉरगेट योर पास्ट,
हुँ,
व्हाट यू वेयर, एंड
राइट।
हेल्प द पीपल। कि भाई आज मैं किसी को हेल्प करूँगा, तो
हुँ,
आज मैंने मुझे किसी ने हेल्प किया, तो मैं भी किसी को हेल्प करूँ, या मैं ये रास्ते से चलूँ।
हुँ,
किसी ने मुझे पैसे दिया है तो उसने भी
हुँ,
मुझ पे विश्वास रख के पैसे दिया है।
राइट,
He has trusted me and
राइट।
given me the money.
हुँ,
So
हुँ, हुँ,
some people do that way and then they go outline पे चले जाते हैं, पैसे आ गए देखा जाएगा।
राइट।
तो ये ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि भाई आपके पास
हुँ,
पैसे आए हैं तो कंट्रोल में रहो, लिमिट
हुँ,
में रहो।
राइट।
एंड किसी को आपके पे भरोसा है, वो भरोसा का वो डिस्ट्रस्ट नहीं करो आप,
हुँ,
प्लीज ये
डिस्ट्रेस,
मत करो आप। तो
राइट।
इस तरह से होता है, और 1-2% लोग रहने वाले ही ऐसे। ठीक है,
हम्म.
पर मेजॉरिटी तो should understand कि भाई आज
Right,
मुझे ऐसा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है,
right,
so why not to grab that opportunity and I do that also.
right, right, right.
So that is my advice to them कि भाई
Hmm.
you should keep it in mind what was your past.
Hmm.
Don't forget that your past.
Right. Always remember the past or be
Yeah.
a grounded. Don't
Yeah.
go directly high.
जी.
Right. Cool, sir. Amazing. So, you did a PhD as well in you have
Yeah.
research thing. So, can you talk more about like in what field you did the PhD and how was your experience for
See,
that? Yeah.
PhD, my experience with
Hmm.
PhD is that PhD, first of all, I did for academic purpose because
Okay.
for some sort of promotion, for
Mm-hmm.
some position, we need to have PhD.
PhD. Okay. Great. Okay.
So PhD is a
Hmm.
degree, doctor of philosophy.
Right.
It is required because I want to become a director of a business school. I
Mm-hmm.
want to become principal of a college.
Uh-huh.
So I need that degree. Therefore, I did my PhD. Otherwise, I
Huh.
don't think that it is necessary because if I
Okay.
am a good teacher, nobody
Yeah.
sees my qualification.
Hmm. Right.
I have
Right.
seen that even a Harvard graduate has flopped as a teacher, but
Hmm.
a BCom third class has successfully no come
Hmm.
out as a teacher. So
Hmm.
the degree is not helping much. But
Okay.
I have done PhD in finance,
Uh-huh.
and my PhD thesis was good. And I have done from a very old university, Dr.
Hmm.
Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Agra.
Agra.
Earlier,
Okay.
it was known as the Agra University,
Agra
but then
University.
government
Okay.
changed the name
Uh-huh.
to honor Dr. B.R. Ambedkar sir. So
Yes.
they made it Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University. Otherwise, it was a very old university. It is older
Hmm.
than Bombay University.
Okay. Oh,
Uh, it was started in 1825 and so on.
nice. 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 Nice.
So
Great, sir.
PhD is
Hmm.
only academic qualification.
Academic qualification. So,
Academic.
what I understood, like, because already you are lot into academics and you are doing the teaching field and you have a lot of experience while teaching as well, and you have the subject matter expertise. So, you did it for your upscaling for maybe for promotion purpose, but it is not adding that much level of value after
Right.
doing the PhD. Perfect, sir. Very, very fair enough. Fair enough. So, again, on the same line, I had this question. So nowadays, you can see, sir, there are a lot of startups is building, right? So many people are doing the business, and very few of them are coming from the well versed education with respect to business. As also you will agree with to my statement, the 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 quality of business analytics, or we can say the MBA students which is graduating, they are not into the business. I think they are not building that much level of business. They are more into the managing business, but the real business is built by the someone who don't have that much professional education as well. So what's your take on this, sir? This gap, what is increasing day by day for the professionals who are getting graduated from the professional universities, but they are not building that much fancy, or we can say the good businesses in the
Yeah,
society. Yeah.
because that what has happened today,
Hmm.
most of the people who join MBA now, they want to
Huh.
hardly, in our case, like out of
Hmm. Hmm.
420,
Hmm. Hmm.
I
Hmm.
can say that hardly one or two may be interested to
Ah.
start his own business immediately.
Okay.
One
Okay.
or two, I'm telling you.
One or
Because
two. It's so
everybody
less
wants
number.
a job.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everybody wants a job because job means what? Secure salary, secure
Barabar.
income.
Barabar.
So, and what has happened today, our management education is not giving them
Hmm.
or giving them mostly theoretical knowledge.
Hmm. Hmm.
Practical
Hmm.
knowledge is not there. Because
Right.
today, say for example, if you see
Hmm.
uh, uh, that what is required in the industry or
Hmm.
even in the bank,
Hmm.
finance, anywhere, that is
Right.
not taught in the class.
Okay.
Us, what is taught is there in the book.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
So there is no link between industry that there is a
Hmm.
gap here.
Gap. Gap.
Industry academia gap.
Okay.
So
Right, sir.
that gap has to be filled. And
Correct.
these people talk about revision of syllabus and all, but
Right.
ultimately comes down to the same thing.
Hmm.
So today, therefore,
Hmm.
people find means industry people find that IIM graduates have failed, flopped in their
Ah.
profession.
Right.
because of this only, because too much theoretical knowledge they are getting.
Right.
And another thing very important is that
Mm-hmm.
qualified teachers not available.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
today teaching
Mm.
is preferred as the last resort.
That is the worst thing in
That is
India
the word.
mostly. Yeah, right.
Therefore,
Correct.
good people never come to for teaching.
Okay.
It is
Yeah.
very important. That's it.
Mm.
And those who come for teaching, they time pass only,
Mm.
and they are waiting for an opportunity somewhere else. If they get a good job
Good
in
job. Yeah.
industry or
Huh.
corporate, they run
They.
away. So
Hmm.
no security and no stability.
Hmm.
Stability is not there, even in teaching. And of course, government fault is there. Government is not paying that much. See,
Yeah.
if
Yeah.
I'm paid according to, like, say, for example, putting
Huh.
47 years in corporate
Right.
and academic, I would have
Hmm.
been different. Because
True.
after IIT, I could have got a very good job in IT
Correct.
industry immediately. In
Correct.
TCS and all, we were getting. But I
Correct.
wanted to do that time PhD, therefore I did
Huh.
not accept. Otherwise,
Correct.
today I would have been different.
Right.
So 47 years of experience there and 47-year academic is not paying maker.
Hmm.
So
True, sir.
therefore,
True.
good people are not attracted, no?
So we got few key pointers here. Very first,
Yeah.
like the quality of education is dropped. We required more practical knowledge, more scenario based stuff, more challenges, how to, tackle the real challenges. We need to talk talk to be that level things. And then the quality of professors, the quality of teachers, which is lagging over here. And then government is also not paying. So that's why each one is thinking of their pocket. So wherever they are getting more money, they are just jumping from here and there. And passionate teachers like you are very less, who are sacrificing their main career and choosing the teaching profession. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's again good. So but again, so one of the follow-up question, we know the challenges are here. So
Yeah.
what do you think, like okay, we cannot say that we can solve these challenges in day one. This is like a long lasting challenges, and it's a thought process or societal challenges, some of them. So what should be the solution we should take to address such of these concerns? Can we do something from our side, like as a professor, as an industry expert, or as a student? Can we do something to tackle these situations to build
Yeah.
a best profession? Yeah.
Student, to what happened? No, first of all, they
Hmm.
should understand their responsibility. Today, see,
Okay.
they pay heavy fees in our institute also.
Right.
We are charging in Mumbai, ours is the costliest institute in
Right.
Mumbai,
Uh-huh.
uh, discounting IIM and
Yeah.
SP Jain.
Hmm.
But ours is the costliest. But then,
Hmm.
even after paying that fee, they are not interested in studying. I
Oh.
told any student that, बाबा
Hmm.
तुम सुबह में आओ 8 बजे और रात के
Yeah.
8 बजे जाओ।
Correct.
5 बजे लेक्चर खत्म होने के बाद 3 घंटा
Yeah.
यू मस्ट सिट इन द लाइब्रेरी, कोई सुनता नहीं।
हाँ, बराबर।
मैंने पहले ही दिन लेक्चर में बोला था कि आप
हाँ।
स्टडी करो, गो
Hmm.
बियॉन्ड द बुक,
Limits. Books.
लाइब्रेरी
हाँ।
में जाके न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ो, आर्टिकल्स
हाँ।
पढ़ो। और अभी हमारे टाइम में तो लैपटॉप,
सब
कंप्यूटर
कुछ है, नॉलेज उधर ही
कुछ नहीं
अवेलेबल
था।
है।
उनके
हाँ, राइट।
पास तो ये सब है। हमारे टाइम में तो
Hmm.
हम लाइब्रेरी में बड़ी-बड़ी बुक खोल के बैठते थे। एंड दैट
Right.
टाइम इन आईआईटी वी हैड वन गुड एडवांटेज दैट आई लाइब्रेरी वाज़ ओपन 24 आवर्स।
Right.
So
Right.
we had that advantage. So we used to go anytime, and we were staying in hostel,
Right.
campus, like,
Right.
so we can go anytime, study and come back. So, but that facility is available. To be, they
Hmm.
don't study. They want,
Hmm.
no, today they have become so hasty that बस जल्दी जॉब मिल जावे, जल्दी जॉब मिल जावे। तो
कैसे
I
मिलेगा?
I think what they want is,
हाँ।
आज हमने ये काउंटर पे से फी भरा,
हाँ।
दूसरे काउंटर पे से हमको डिप्लोमा दो या डिग्री दो, और तीसरे काउंटर पे हमारे अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर दो बस।
बस।
और बाकी कुछ नहीं चाहिए।
नहीं,
ये
ऐसे तो
उनका
नहीं होता। हाँ।
फिलॉसफी है, दैट दे हैव टू ब्रेक इट।
हुँ।
एंड उसके लिए क्या है ना, सम
हुँ।
मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट शुड पुट देयर फुट डाउन।
हाँ।
And even if suppose, for example, ours is 420 intake, but if suppose
हाँ।
we
हुँ।
find 240 good students, only 1 year we should admit 240 students only.
हाँ, राइट।
And teach them properly, give
प्रॉपर्ली।
them proper guidance.
हाँ।
Then the institute will earn also name, fame,
हाँ, राइट।
and the students will
स्टूडेंट्स।
get a lesson कि भाई देखो, पढ़ना है अच्छी इंस्टीट्यूट में तो
हुँ।
मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। ऐसे
बराबर।
ऐसे एडमिशन नहीं मिल जाएगा।
करेक्ट, करेक्ट।
अभी आज हमने क्या कर दिया, 26 आईआईएम खोल दिया। तो
हाँ,
फिर आईआईएम का जो पहले आमचा
वैल्यू था। हाँ,
बैंगलोर, कलकत्ता, कोझिकोड का जो डिमांड था,
हाँ।
इंदौर का, लखनऊ का, बस इतना ही
करेक्ट,
रहता है।
करेक्ट,
बाकी फिर
करेक्ट,
सब बी ग्रेड, सी ग्रेड में चला जाता है।
करेक्ट, करेक्ट, करेक्ट।
सो इस तरह से थोड़ा एजुकेशन में भी गवर्नमेंट को ये करना पड़ेगा कि भाई थोड़ा
हुँ,
प्रैक्टिकल ओरिएंटेड कुछ सिलेबस में डालना चाहिए। एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली अपना क्या होता है ना कि जो
हुँ,
अपना, ये बात तो अच्छा है कि अपने जो सेंटर में जो एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर है वो बहुत पढ़े लिखे हैं, मिस्टर
हाँ,
प्रधान।
हाँ,
बट अदरवाइज तो ऑलवेज वी यूज्ड टू गेट hardly SSC pass education minister. So what
करेक्ट,
decision he will take about us?
करेक्ट,
What future? And
करेक्ट,
then
करेक्ट।
the salary which they give to professors, no, that should
हुँ,
be double or triple,
हुँ,
so that good
करेक्ट,
quality people will be attracted toward teaching,
करेक्ट, करेक्ट।
and they will build really good students.
राइट, राइट। ट्रू सर। सर, I have one question here now. I just click one thing. So you did your master's something from Australia as well, right? You mentioned me.
CMA, CMA,
CM, yeah,
CMA. हाँ.
CMA you did in Australia. So I want to understand, we are talking about the education system over here. So what's your observation, the quality of education in Australia versus India?
Yeah, I did not go to Australia, but the professor had come to India,
Mm-hmm.
and we were selected.
Yeah.
Some 8, 9 students only were selected, and we were given practical training every day in a hotel for
Okay.
18 days.
Mm-hmm.
And that I found that
Mm,
they were very practical, very
mm,
practical.
mm.
They were not theoretical.
Okay.
The professor was very practical, and he had come with all the practical and new things in costing. What
Okay.
we learned that time, carbon
Huh.
costing.
Huh.
See, the carbon is emitted, but what is the cost of it? That
Costing.
costing,
Yeah.
how to do it? That was
Right.
taught to us that time,
Okay.
2016.
At that time, now people are talking about carbon
Yeah,
credits and all
carbon.
those things. Right.
So
Right.
we
Hmm.
learned in 2016.
2016. Correct. Correct.
So that is the idea. Okay, we are very much behind.
Hmm.
America in what is Harvard? Why they are number
Huh.
one? Because
Correct.
what they teach that is required in industry. So
Right.
therefore, Harvard graduate is immediately absorbed,
Correct. Correct.
and that to come to India it will take another 10 years. So by the time that knowledge is also obsolete.
Obsoleted. Correct. So whatever they are teaching now, if it
Yeah,
going to get taught 10 years after in India,
better.
it's no
So
use
it,
out of it, right?
which
Because
is
it's already past. It's already
yeah.
in the no
अरे
use of
ये तो 10
solution.
साल पहले वो उधर पढ़ाते थे। अरे यार
Correct,
हम
correct.
अभी बात कर रहे हैं
अभी
इसकी।
बात कर रहे हो. True,
तो
true, true.
तो
So I think, yeah, we need to, start teaching something very futuristic, valuable,
या
value
फ्यूचर
driven, and practical. Very important is practical
प्रैक्टिकल,
knowledge.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रैक्टिकल।
Right, right, right. So one more question I have here. When we're talking about, ठीक है कि भाई तुम्हें प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, गेन प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज या मोटिवेशन होना चाहिए, कुछ करना चाहिए, दैट्स इज कम्प्लीटली फाइन। ओके, एज अ स्टूडेंट मैं बोलता हूँ कि चलो ठीक है, सही है। तो बट वेयर शुड आई स्टार्ट? लाइक एज अ स्टूडेंट, लेट्स से कि मैं एमबीए भी कर रहा हूँ, ओके, या फिर मैं कोई जॉब कर रहा हूँ, बट मुझे बिजनेस सीखना है। सो सर, आपके हिसाब से मुझे स्टार्ट कहाँ से करना चाहिए ताकि मैं अच्छे से बिजनेस सीखूं और मेरे बिजनेस बनाने में मेरे को बहुत हेल्प भी हो?
हाँ, see, so first of all, what
हम्म,
he should do, that he should first of all read about the uh, previous or past
हम्म,
entrepreneurs.
ओके,
Read, only read
ओके,
about
ओके,
XYZ entrepreneur. Just say, for
हाँ,
example, Gautam Adani, how he came up,
हम्म,
how he
हम्म,
built up his empire.
हम्म,
Second thing he should do is that he
हम्म,
should catch hold of the new people who are
हम्म,
in the new field. Means they are coming up as a startup or
हम्म,
entrepreneur, and
हम्म,
they should try to know about them.
हम्म,
And the most important thing they should do is that they should connect with one of them कि साहब हमको कुछ भी
ओके,
करो, फ्री
हम्म,
में काम करेंगे हम, मगर
हम्म,
हमको आपके पास बिठाओ, हमको
हम्म,
सीखना है,
हम्म,
हमको आपसे सीखना है कुछ।
हम्म,
हम भले पैसा मत दो चलेगा, हमको 2 कप चाय दे देना बहुत है, हम
हम्म,
आएंगे,
हम्म,
आप सैटरडे संडे आपके साथ बैठेंगे,
हम्म,
आपसे सीखेंगे बिजनेस क्या है,
Hmm.
So this is the thing. Three things they should do. One is,
Read.
पहले तो जो पास्ट हो गया है उसका थियरी पढ़ो, उनका जो लिटरेचर है वो पढ़ो।
Yeah.
सेकंड जो अभी है उसका स्टडी करो, एनालाइज करो कि ये
हाँ.
कैसे ऊपर आए।
हाँ.
ओवरनाइट तो कोई नहीं आता है। जैसे
Correct. Correct.
सीसीडी देखो, काफी
हाँ.
कॉफी डे कैसे ऊपर
Right.
आया।
Right.
फिर बीच में डूबा भी,
Duba. Correct.
वहां तक भी डूबा के बेचारे को जान देनी पड़ी,
Hmm. Right.
मगर नाउ उसकी वाइफ एंड चिल्ड्रन संभाल रहे हैं। और
Right.
अगेन उसको एटलीस्ट ब्रांड तो जिंदा है,
Right.
सीसीटीवी
Right.
ब्रांड तो जिंदा है, अभी ऐसा तो नहीं है कि
Yeah.
सीसीटीवी मर गया।
नहीं, नहीं, नहीं.
ये दिस इज द वे द न्यू जनरेशन
हम्म.
शुड डू इट, कि भाई आप
करेक्ट.
पढ़ो, ये सीखो, देखो एंड
हाँ.
मिलो। दे शुड गो। यहाँ तो क्या होता है, जैसे लेक्चर खत्म होता बाहर निकलो, ऑटो
हम्म.
पकड़ो, घर जाओ, बस,
नहीं.
और कुछ नहीं है।
हम्म.
वो घर जाए गया, बुक रखी, कल
हम्म.
सुबह में आया वही बुक उठाया, वापस कॉलेज आया, वो तो गया अंदर बस। कुछ
हाँ.
पढ़ाई नहीं, कुछ नहीं, पढ़ने का, मिलने का कुछ नहीं होता।
राइट सर.
सो दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम।
ट्रू सर. अमेजिंग. सो मतलब चैलेंजेस बहुत है कि घुमा फिरा के हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि हमें हार्डवर्क करना पड़ेगा,
बस हार्ड वर्क तो करना ही पड़ेगा, हार्ड वर्क से
होमवर्क
कुछ होता है।
करना पड़ेगा. हाँ. राइट. होमवर्क सही से करना पड़ेगा कि जो भी हमें पढ़ा रहे हैं, जो भी हम सीख रहे हैं कॉलेजेस में, एटलीस्ट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट समवेयर, देन ओनली यू विल टू गोइंग टू गेट समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट. राइट. सो अमेजिंग सर. सो आई हैव वन मोर क्वेश्चन सर. जैसे आपने एक सब्जेक्ट का नाम लिया था, इकोनॉमिक, वो क्या था सर? मिक्स ऑफ
इकोनोमेट्रिक्स,
इकोनोमेट्रिक्स. इकोनोमेट्रिक्स, कैन यू प्लीज टेल मोर अबाउट दैट, व्हाट इज दिस सब्जेक्ट मीन्स?
econometrics is the
हाँ.
application of statistics in economic data. See, for
ओके.
example, what I do when I teach econometrics, no, I directly teach with the share market data,
ओके.
how to analyze, how to do prediction with recent data.
ओके.
I will tell them there is a says this uh, what is we call NSE data directly available, BSE data directly available. So they open the data, and I say, okay, now download this data and let us fit the regression and do prediction. And how accurate your prediction is. So accuracy,
एक्यूरेसी.
that is
हाँ.
measured by econometrics.
इकोनोमेट्रिक्स. अच्छा. ओके.
Otherwise, bluffing anybody can do. अरे इसका कल भाव 500 हो जाएगा, कैसे
करेक्ट.
हो?
कैसे होगा?
तो
राइट.
हमारा इकोनोमेट्रिक बता रहा है कि ये है, उसका वो ट्रेंड ऐसा जा रहा है, इसलिए इसका ये होने का चांस है.
अच्छा. राइट.
So that is main thing is that we deal with finance data,
फाइनेंस डेटा ओवर
recent
देयर.
data also, not past data.
रिसेंट डेटा आल्सो.
Recent data. We take recent data and do this analysis.
ग्रेट सर, ग्रेट. तो मेरा और एक सवाल है, ये सिर्फ शेयर मार्केट में ही यूज होता है ये कंसेप्ट, या और कहीं पे भी
No,
यूज
no,
होता है? हाँ.
anywhere economics data are available. Even in planning commission, you can use econometrics. Anywhere, wherever economic data are available, you can use econometrics.
ओके.
It is a mixture of statistics, economics. Econometrics is that economic
स्टैटिक्स.
and statistics का tricks ऐसा.
इकोनोमेट्रिक्स.
हाँ.
Good, sir. Good, 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 good. Amazing. So we'll try to learn more about that econometrics, how it works. How
And
can
can you
I?
believe? Can you
हाँ.
believe
हाँ sir.
the masterpiece, the Bible of book is
हाँ.
written by one Indian, Dr.
हाँ. हाँ.
Damodar Gujarati,
हाँ. 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 हाँ.
Basic Econometrics, and that book is translated in 16 languages, international languages.
Wow. 16 international
Dr.
languages.
Damodar Gujarati, he is an NRI now,
हाँ.
but
हाँ.
basically he is an Indian,
हाँ.
Damodar Gujarati. So that book is people are referring. Indian book, Indian author.
Great, sir. That is, see, that's what I always believe. India has huge values and huge talent, but sometimes it's underestimated, or due to lack of awareness, it's what not got reached. But right people's knowledge always gets shared and used in a right direction. Correct, sir. So, sir, I have one more. One question. This my question is always about the whole management ecosystem. So what is the biggest myth the society have with respect to MBA or management school or business school? here?
No, they think that
Hmm.
we are factory of
Hmm.
producing managers and giving
हाँ.
good jobs. Bus.
Hmm. Hmm.
That is
Hmm.
their society feels.
Okay.
Therefore, parents are coming to us. The
हाँ.
first thing they will ask, who is your
हाँ.
professor? They will not ask. What is your
हाँ.
pay package?
Package correct.
What was last time average? And we have
हाँ.
to market also accordingly only.
Correct.
We have to market also accordingly. Because they
Hmm.
want only money.
Hmm.
So you want money, but immediately money ऐसे नहीं आएगा भाई आपके बेटे को भी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी
Correct.
आपके बेटे को भी बताना पड़ेगा कि वो भी कुछ अलग है आपका
Right.
बच्चे को भी बताना पड़ेगा
Right.
वी
Right.
टेल देम दैट
हाँ. Right. Correct, sir.
वो दैट इज वेयर फर्स्ट थिंग दे शुड डू के आप सोचते हो बराबर है मगर आप एक डोंट लेट अस नॉट हैव वन वे ट्रैफिक
Hmm.
वी विल हेल्प यू योर चाइल्ड बट एट
Right.
द सेम टाइम योर चाइल्ड शुड बी रेडी टू वर्क
Right.
ये तो
Right.
ऐसा है बे एनएल डालमिया है तो हमको 12 लाख का जॉब मिल ही जाएगा ऐसा नहीं है
हाँ.
अभी पहले
Hmm.
था अभी नहीं है पहले
पहले
ब्रांड
था.
चलता था अभी नहीं चलता है
Right. Right.
तो
Right.
हर एक
Right.
को मेहनत करनी पड़ती
सर
एंड यू
और एक या
मत
हाँ, करेक्ट सर, परफेक्ट। सो एक एक आपके ये रिसेंट कॉन्वर्सेशन से एक सवाल आया है, जैसे एज़ यू मेंशन कि पहले पैकेज मिलता था, अभी सिचुएशन अलग है। तो लास्ट आपको तो 47 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है, तो आपके हिसाब से पिछले 40 साल में बिज़नेस फील्ड में या बिज़नेस स्कूल्स में क्या चेंजेस हुए या किस तरीके से उनके स्टूडेंट्स या फिर उनके इनटेक या प्लेसमेंट में पूरा ओवरऑल क्या चेंजेस आया है सर?
कोई चेंज आया नहीं
हुँ।
है आई कैन से द चेंज हैज गॉन इन रिवर्स डायरेक्शन टू बी
ओके,
वेरी फ्रैंक
ओके,
no
हाँ,
doubt now
हाँ,
that new technology has come, so they
हुँ,
have laptop, they have
हाँ,
access to
हाँ,
internet,
इंटरनेट,
Wi-Fi,
राइट,
and all. That is
राइट,
the only
राइट,
development. But otherwise, from the quality of students, it is deteriorating year after
हुँ,
year.
हुँ,
They
हुँ,
don't
हुँ,
want to
हुँ,
study; they just want job. When they
हुँ,
come to business school, they want job only.
राइट,
From job perspective only, मिलेगा भाई जॉब भी मिलेगा मगर थोड़ा मेहनत तो आपको करना पड़ेगा कि नहीं
हुँ, हुँ,
मेहनत
हुँ,
के
हुँ,
बिना मेहनत कैसे आप कमाओ वो कर सकते हो
करेक्ट, करेक्ट। सो घुमा-फिरा के अगेन कन्वर्सेशन यही जा रहा है कि यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड, विदाउट वर्किंग हार्ड यू कांट गेट
हाँ,
एनीथिंग।
वर्क तो हार्ड करना ही पड़ेगा एंड
राइट,
ऑफ कोर्स इसके लिए क्या है ना
हाँ,
एक बार वर्क हार्ड करोगे ना तो एक अच्छा
हाँ,
हाथ पकड़ने वाला भी मिल जाएगा आपको
राइट,
सपोर्ट करने वाला भी मिल जाएगा आपको
राइट,
चाहिए
राइट,
आपको हमारे पास आते हैं संडे भी हम आते हैं वो
राइट,
बच्चे हमको पूछते हैं सर आप
हाँ।
संडे भी आते हो अरे मेरे को अरे आप भी आओ ना लाइब्रेरी हम
आप भी आओ, राइट।
पढ़ो तो वो नहीं
करेक्ट।
संडे भी आप आते हो मुझे ऐसा पूछते
हमारा तो हो गया, हम तो काफ़ी सेट है, फिर भी हम आ रहे हैं। तो
हैं।
तुम तो सुधरो,
हमारे
तुम्हें तो आना ही चाहिए, तुम्हें तो
आना
कंपल्सरी
ही
होना
चाहिए।
चाहिए आने के
तुम्हारा अभी
लिए।
कौन-सा अभी आज सुबह में भी लिफ्ट में एक लड़का मिला।
हाँ,
देखो ना सर संडे भी लेक्चर को बुलाते हैं। मैंने बोला देखो अभी आपको मैनेजर बनना है
हाँ।
ना तो कोई भी दिन भूल जाओ। कि
राइट, राइट,
सैटरडे है कि संडे है कि मंडे है, भूल जाओ
करेक्ट,
अभी।
भूल जाओ।
अभी आपको पढ़ना पड़े मैंने कहा सर अभी ये 2 साल तो मैं मज़ाक कर लेवे उसके बाद तो आपको काम ही करना है। आज की बात करता हूँ। आज के लिफ्ट में बच्चा सुबह में मिला उसका
अच्छा,
लेक्चर था। तो
हाँ,
वो
हाँ।
रो रहा था कि संडे को लेक्चर रखा।
अच्छा, हाँ।
क्या करने का बोलो ऐसा है उल्टा ऐसा बोलना चाहिए कि नहीं आप रोज रखो 5 बजे के
हुँ।
बाद क्यों बंद करते हो और रखो हमको तो ये सब बहुत
राइट सर,
वो हो गया है ये क्या है ना वो
हाँ,
दे हैव बिकम इम्पेशेंट उनको बस एक ही लाइन में मैं आपको कंक्लूड कर सकता हूँ कि
श्योर सर।
उनको क्या है ना दरवाजे से बाहर नहीं जाना है उनको दीवार तोड़ के बाहर जाना है बस
दीवार तोड़ के बाहर जाना है,
हाँ
वाह!
दीवार तोड़ के बाहर जाना है बस उनको उनको दरवाजे से बाहर नहीं जाओ उनको बस जल्दी वो जॉब दे दो जल्दी पैसा दे दो तो वो जल्दी अच्छा अच्छा गाड़ी में घूमे अच्छे कपड़े पहने अच्छा मोबाइल 17 नंबर आया 18 नंबर आया वो खरीदे
हाँ,
बस दूसरे को दिखावे कि देखो मैं ऐसा करता
शो
हूँ
ऑफ
मैं
वाला
ऐसा
ज़्यादा
करता
वो ट्रेंड चल
हूँ बस
गया अभी।
हाँ
पे
पहले अपने जमाने में ऐसा नहीं था कि हम बाजू वाले को दिखावे मगर आजकल
करेक्ट,
ये
करेक्ट,
बहुत हो गया है बस इसको
राइट,
दिखावे माँ बाप भी ऐसे हो गए माँ बाप भी
राइट,
देखो मेरा बेटा इतना
राइट,
कमाता है
राइट,
ऐसा
राइट,
करता है
राइट। सर
तो ये सब है सर
आप एकदम सही बोल रहे हैं। मैं कल ही ट्रिपल आईटी हैदराबाद के डायरेक्टर से पॉडकास्ट कर रहा था, कन्वर्सेशन। उन्होंने पता है एक थोड़ी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ बोली। अब तो वो ट्रिपल आईटी हैदराबाद में है, दे आर एट
हाँ
द टॉप इन द एआई सेगमेंट। तो
या
हम टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर बात कर रहे थे कि सर हम ऐसा सॉल्यूशन बना सकते हैं, वैसा बना सकते हैं। तो जो भी हम प्रपोज़ कर रहे थे, उसके अकॉर्डिंग उनका काउंटर अटैक पता है क्या था सर? कि आप जिस लेवल की टेक्नोलॉजी बना लो, उसमें ना लूप होल्स रहेंगे ही, और
रहेंगे
वो
ही।
लूप होल्स सिर्फ इथिकली सॉल्व किया जा सकता है, वो एक वैल्यू एडिशन है। तो
बराबर।
उनका सजेशन था कि सर हमें क्या करना चाहिए, राइट, व्हाट शुड बी द वी डू। दे सेड
या
कि भाई लोगों को सुधारो उनको बोलो कि डू द रियल वर्क करोगे तो रियली आप आगे जाओगे, और यू हैव टू बी इथिकल। और आपके जो वैल्यूज है ना, क्योंकि क्या है ना, यहाँ पे करप्शन इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग जिसकी वजह से इंडिया बहुत पीछे है। दैट्स व्हाट आई
बराबर।
बिलीव सर, हर एक सेगमेंट में, नॉट जस्ट अबाउट पॉलिटिशियन, जो कि अब जब करप्शन सबसे तो सिर्फ पॉलिटिशियन का नाम ध्यान में आता है सबसे पहले, बट ये हर एक सेगमेंट में है। तो इसको थोड़ा सुधारने की बहुत आवश्यकता है। नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग भी अपने को शो ऑफ करने के लिए बहुत सारे झूठ बोल देता है या गलत चीजें डिसीजन ले लेता है। तो दिस इज समथिंग वी आर मिसिंग। अभी पहले कैसा था कि आई थिंक ग्रैंड फादर्स रहते थे, कलेक्टिव फैमिली रहती थी, तो कुछ अच्छे फीडबैक आते थे, मतलब वो स्टोरीज सुनाते थे, अपने कल्चर, रिच इंडिया कल्चर के बारे में बताते थे, मोटिवेट करते थे। नाउ दैट कल्चर इज ऑल्सो गोइंग डाउन, वेस्टर्न इन्फ्लुएंस ज्यादा हो रहा है। तो लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस, तो मुझे तो वहां से टेक यही मिला है कि भाई जस्ट वैल्यू, फोकस ऑन वैल्यू एडिशन, फोकस ऑन कि नेक्स्ट जनरेशन हार्ड वर्किंग कैसे हो, इथिकली कैसे स्ट्रांग बने। दिस इज द न्यू ट्रेंड व्हाट आईआईटीज आर थिंकिंग नाउ, और द एक्सपर्ट्स आर थिंकिंग, दोज आर लीडिंग द एजुकेशन। मतलब इंडिया की सिचुएशन सच में खराब है, मुझे वो कल से लगा कि नहीं भाई, थोड़ा तो अपन गलत जा रहे हैं। मतलब एवरीवन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ टू अर्न क्विक मनी, क्योंकि अभी एवरीवन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट, क्योंकि सर सोसाइटी क्या है, जिसके पास में पैसा है उसी को रिस्पेक्ट देती है, एज यू मेंशन इन द बिगनिंग।
या बिकॉज़ वो तो है, पैसा है
हाँ,
तो रिस्पेक्ट है,
राइट,
डेफिनिटली।
डेफिनेटली। अगर आप सिर्फ ज्ञान बांटोगे, नो वैल्यू, व्हाई
नो
समवन
वैल्यू
विल लिसन टू यू।
मुझे कोई समझता नहीं प्रोफेसर एमेरिटस क्या है?
हाँ।
मैं मास्टर हूँ बस। मास्टर टीचर है। हाँ, मास्टर हम।
नो सर, सी आई थिंक ये यही तो एक मिस अंडरस्टूड थॉट प्रोसेस सोसाइटी में,
या
क्योंकि प्रोफेसर एंड टीचर्स आर द रियल वैल्यू बिल्डर्स। वही तो एक सोसाइटी को अपलिफ्ट करता है, एक जनरेशन को बना रहे हो, राइट। वो उनके हाथ में है कि वो कैसे वैल्यू उनके अंदर डाले, राइट। तो अगर वो सपोर्ट पेरेंट्स के साइड से भी रहता है, तो पहले के पेरेंट्स रहते कि वो मार मार के बच्चों को स्कूल में भी जाते कि भाई प्रोफेसर की सुनो, और प्रोफेसर भी उनको डांट के एकदम आपके टाइम पे लाइक आपको एकदम तैयार किया उस तरीके से, सो दैट्स यू हैव डेडिकेटेड एंड you have went into that education field as well, but now it's not like that. So okay, no worries, sir. So now I have here few last questions with respect to your experience, sir. You have, yeah, you hear your experience. So what is the, you know, वर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ योर लाइफ, कि भाई ये चीज सबसे बुरी लगी मुझे मेरी लाइफ में, या दिस इज द वर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ माय लाइफ, जिससे हम कुछ सीख सके। सर, एनी एक्सपीरियंस यू वांट टू शेयर?
yeah, because what happened that today teachers are not respected. For example, I
ओके।
tell you,
हम्म।
when for my son's admission, I was
हम्म।
going to school that time in night.
हम्म।
He was born in 88, and then afterwards,
हम्म।
say 4 5 years later on, when I went a student, nobody was respecting me as a teacher.
ओके।
Which see today I am giving gyan, I am
हम्म।
making your children
हम्म।
educated. At
राइट।
least I should have some consideration ke bhai, हाँ, you are a
हाँ।
teacher, so
हाँ।
your
हाँ।
son should be given a preference.
राइट।
So that was the worst experience I had. My son
हम्म।
admission, I did not get in one good school,
हम्म।
two school, three school. I went, and I told them,
हम्म।
trustees, I told them, I'm a
हम्म।
teacher, I'm a
हम्म।
teacher, I'm a
हम्म।
teacher.
हम्म।
Please help me, please help me.
हम्म।
नहीं, नहीं, no vacancy, no vacancy. Your area is different. ये फलाना.
हम्म।
Then one another good school
हम्म।
where one direct owners came and he said, नहीं, नहीं, you are a professor. I respect. I will
हम्म।
give your son admission.
हम्म।
So that was the worst experience in my life. That teachers are not respected. Teachers have no value. Like see today IAS officers,
राइट।
IPS officers, they are respected.
राइट।
They are given car and all. ठीक है, teachers don't expect car and lal light and all. But at least some
राइट।
respect should be there. Some
हम्म।
reservation should be there. Some
राइट।
consideration should be there.
हम्म।
कि भाई वो
हम्म।
टीचर है, आइए आइए आइए, टीचर है, आइए
राइट।
टीचर है,
हम्म।
आइए आइए। भाई
करेक्ट,
ये
करेक्ट।
करे। पहले हम कैसे गुरु है, गुरु है, गुरु है।
राइट, गुरु को
मतलब
सबसे पहले दर्जा दिया देता है,
हाँ,
राइट, करेक्ट, हाँ।
वो गुरु थे तो गुरु भी थे ऐसे में, मगर हम भी ये
हम्म।
कर सकते हैं, हम भी ये टीचर। देयरफॉर आई टोल्ड यू नो पीपल डोंट
हम्म।
कम इन दिस प्रोफेशन
हम्म।
टुडे। दे डोंट कम बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ओनली, दे कांट गेट मनी हियर।
हम्म। ओके।
There are so many other things they have to do apart from teaching. So administrative work, this work, that
Yeah.
work. And therefore, and government jobs are not there in teaching. We were
Right.
lucky that we got government job. But
Right.
today people are not getting government job because there is a freeze in Maharashtra though. Since from
Correct.
2016 there is a freeze, no new appointment only.
Oh,
No new appointment.
baap re baap. So it's a
Only
bad
you can
situation, right? Yeah.
you can appoint only a teacher on contract basis.
Contract basis, no
Contract
full
basis.
time job. So it's
Uh,
again, so why people will go for part time
yeah.
or like a contract basis job? It's
After
not a
11 months,
security of job, na?
continue.
Huh.
And again 12 after 1 month salary will not be given. And again next year you don't know whether they will take you, continue you or not, nothing. No job guarantee. So that is the
Yes.
problem today.
Hmm.
The government should do something about the priority they should give to teaching. कि भाई
Hmm.
teacher hai, we will select best teachers,
Hmm.
but then they should be paid according to IAS officers,
Hmm.
IPS officers, how they get the different concession.
Right.
That way, then only when the good teachers start coming,
Hmm.
definitely the education level will improve.
Okay. Okay.
Definitely will improve.
Cool. Thank you, sir, for sharing this great experience. This actually
Yeah.
this is very valuable experience. Someone should have to start pushing this particular thing to the parliaments and at
Yeah.
because this is literally a serious matter. We are talking about a generation. If teachers are not experts, if we don't have good teachers in the society, then how society will uplift, right? Because these
Correct.
are the main pillar of that society. Very valid point, sir. Now, similar line, I would like to ask you, sir, what is your best experience so far, sir? You feel like this is the wow
Best
moment of
experience is that
yeah,
no doubt I get
yeah,
good respect. The students appreciate my teaching.
yeah,
I get good awards. I
yeah.
get good say reward also.
Great, sir.
But
Hmm.
for that I work hard.
Right.
I today I
Hmm.
whatever say assets I have made.
Yeah.
That is because I extra work.
Extra work.
Teaching did not give me. My job
Right.
did not give me. But my
Uh,
extra work gave me.
hmm, hmm,
I
hmm, hmm.
did coaching class work.
Yeah.
I did tuitions.
Right.
I did group tuitions.
Hmm,
I
hmm, hmm,
used to run from pillar to post from
hmm,
one home to another home for
hmm,
tuition
hmm,
in
hmm,
my
hmm.
younger days.
Yeah.
So that way I have earned.
Hmm,
So
hmm.
that is a good experience because
Huh.
I am an acceptable teacher. So I have no regret that
Yeah.
why I am in this profession.
Right. Right. Right.
But there are some teachers they are not acceptable so they always say अरे क्या हम
Hmm.
आ गए कोई दूसरा जॉब भी अभी नहीं देता है उम्र हो
Right.
गई एज हो गया
Right. Right. Right.
so they
Right.
have that regret but I
Hmm.
don't have that regret
Great,
that
sir.
is my good experience yet I get good respect but for that I work because I know okay, today also like sir my friend Samir sir is sitting
Hmm.
we always discuss okay, how to put this point across the student.
Hmm, 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 hmm.
So today, if I am teaching simple thing, but how best I can put it so that students grasp it immediately
Right, sir.
without any
Right.
problem. So that is my plus point. Yeah, I learn,
Perfect.
keep on learning new things. Even at
Great.
today, I am 72, but at 72 also I am learning new things. Otherwise,
Great, sir.
दूसरा बोलेगा अभी क्या पढ़ने का अभी सिखाने का.
अब तो मतलब पूरा हो गया रिटायरमेंट का टाइम आ गया अब क्या पढ़ेंगे बट गुड
हाँ,
सर गुड that's how sir see uh, the professors like you the humans like you brings extraordinary value in the ecosystems
yeah,
and
yeah,
that's uplift society. It doesn't matter if even one student got learned your lessons, then your job is done. The one
yeah.
will uplift the whole society of
Yes,
thousands
definitely.
of humans. So that's one student can in one each batch if there has a few students who can bring the value in the ecosystem, job is done. You have a great
Yeah.
yeah
See, like my
appreciation.
neighbor, Professor
Yeah.
Samir Kulkarni sir,
Yes.
he is a marketing professor, but now
Uh-huh.
he realized कि what
Uh,
marketing बहुत पढ़ा है. So
uh,
what he said from next July, I will teach only finance subject. So he
oh,
started learning finance subjects. Put
now.
when
Yeah.
teacher has that determination, teacher has that willingness.
Right, sir.
So I liked it. In fact, I gave him this idea कि सर आप
Yeah.
फाइनेंस में अभी जाइए. फाइनेंस
Correct.
बहुत है because risk is coming now,
Right.
uncertainty is coming. So finance is the
Uncensored.
best subject, and you have
Hmm.
good quantitative background. So
Right.
you please do that. So he has started doing, and he said next semester onwards,
Hmm.
when next new academic year start, I will only teach finance subject. I will not teach marketing subject. So
Great,
that
sir.
is the where teacher also should do.
Right, right, right.
अदरवाइज इधर क्या है ना 30 साल से
हम्म,
जूना नोट लेके टीचर घूम रहा है।
नहीं नहीं नहीं।
प्रॉब्लम वही फुल स्टॉप।
हाँ, वही वही।
एक जोक है, जैन कॉलेज में एक प्रोफेसर था,
हाँ
मैं पढ़ाता था, तो
हाँ
वो मेरे सीनियर थे।
हाँ
तो
हाँ
बच्चे
हाँ
मुझे आके बोलते थे कि एक
हाँ
बार सर ने गलती की क्लास में।
हाँ
तो मैंने बोला क्या गलती की? तो बोला
हाँ।
वो फुल स्टॉप रखना भूल गए थे, जो बुक में दिया था वही वो लिखते थे बोर्ड पे। तो हमने
अच्छा।
बोला सर वहाँ फुल
हाँ।
स्टॉप रह गया, बुक में दिया है। This
बाप
type
रे।
of teaching, if teachers say provide or
Right.
impart, then definitely the quality will go down. So here also teachers are to be blamed, definitely. And today तो क्या है ना,
हम्म,
I have seen that they
हम्म,
prepare PPT और PPT ले जाके उंगली घुमाते हैं,
करेक्ट
ऐसे नहीं
करेक्ट करेक्ट।
चलता।
नहीं।
Still
हाँ,
today I follow chalk and talk method,
बढ़िया सर।
best method,
चॉक एंड टॉक, वाह।
chalk
राइट,
and talk।
राइट।
लिखो
हाँ,
समझाओ, लिखो समझाओ।
राइट,
Ah,
राइट।
some numerical software is there, and
हाँ,
then only I use laptop. Otherwise,
राइट,
not.
बढ़िया सर।
Oh,
Thank you, sir. Again, I'll connect with you separately to get
yeah,
the teaching tips because क्योंकि मैं भी एक मैं प्रोफेसर तो नहीं हूँ ना ही मैं ऑफिशियल टीचर हूँ बट आई टीच ब्लॉकचेन टेक्नोलॉजी आई टीच
uh-huh.
सम फंडामेंटल्स ऑन माय यूट्यूब सो आई वुड लव टू कनेक्ट विथ यू टू टेक सम टिप्स कि हाउ टू बी अ गुड टीचर हाउ टू टीच स्टूडेंट
Yeah,
इन
definitely
इनोवेटिव में
I'll
for
guide you.
sure I'll connect with that and sir now I think we have already crossed 1 hour and it's great talking to you one last question for you sir
Yes, sir.
you have already given the lot of advice in the podcast at multiple pieces but what is the last advice you want to give I would take two advice one for the students for sure but one for the early builders also those who are building business I needed two different advice for two different personas are here from your side yeah
Student, I will give them advice that
Hmm,
please be patient. You will get
hmm,
everything,
hmm,
whatever you want, but you
hmm.
have to be patient.
Okay.
You say that today only you become general manager or vice president of a company. That is not possible. You have to struggle. You have to
Hmm,
know everything about the company, what is the company, each department of the company,
hmm,
each section of the company, then definitely you will get good salary also. So
hmm,
patience तो रखना पड़ेगा, but
hmm,
सोसाइटी भी आज ऐसी फास्ट मूव हो रही है। आज नया
hmm,
नया मोबाइल आ रहा है, नए नए
hmm,
कपड़े
hmm,
आ रहे हैं,
hmm,
नए नए घर बन रहे हैं। और
hmm,
आज कहाँ से बच्चे खरीदेंगे? करोड़ से कम तो भाव ही नहीं है पैसे का। वो
hmm.
करोड़, 1 करोड़ जब वो बना के रखेगा तब तो 10 करोड़ घर का भाव हो गया होगा।
Correct.
तो वो पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा उसको। एंड
Hmm,
सोसाइटी को तो यही है कि भाई सोसाइटी शुड आल्सो एक्सेप्ट and respect everybody. Like they
hmm,
should respect teachers, they should respect students. Now, what has happened today?
hmm,
There may be some good students in a C grade management institute, but you should
hmm.
respect. If
Right.
you are taking 10 students from A grade,
Hmm,
6 students from B, at least take 2 from C grade institute.
hmm,
But
hmm.
corporate is not giving that.
Right.
In 1986, when I was in SP Jain,
हाँ.
one of my students went to ICICI.
Hmm, 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 hmm.
SP Jain. New,
SP.
it was new institute that time,
हाँ.
and it was not doing that well, which it is doing today. So
Hmm.
one student went and asked, "Sir, I want placement." That time ICICI Limited was there. ICICI Bank was not there.
Okay.
Bank
Okay.
was formed afterwards.
Hmm.
So ICICI Limited. So
Hmm.
that officer told this boy,
Hmm.
no, we don't take any management institute students except IIM.
वाह.
So this student asked, why, sir? What is
Hmm.
wrong with us?
Hmm.
So this officer counter questioned this boy.
हाँ.
Suppose
Yeah.
you had got admission in IIM and you
हाँ.
had got admission in SPGen, where would you have preferred?
हाँ.
That the boy said, IIM.
हाँ.
So they said, yes. So our choice
Yes.
is also that way. If
Hmm.
you have chosen IIM,
हाँ.
not SPGen, so we
Hmm.
also choose IIM because that is the
Hmm.
best. We
Hmm.
don't choose SPGen. So that discrimination corporate should try to minimize.
Hmm.
Not make zero, but that they should make to minimize, because
Minimize.
good students are there everywhere, bad students are there everywhere.
True, sir. True.
Mhm.
So, with your advice, this the same line. I have a thought process. That's where I started my company, Manorekha Tech Innovations. So, currently, I'm building the EduTech platform. Where I came from the small town, sir, in Maharashtra. So Maharashtra is a different region. Only lot of fancy stuff there in the Pune, Mumbai. Here is only big corporates and everything is there. But in the Vidarbha region, in uh, different region, there is not almost no resources available, no employment is there, and the quality of student when I see, because currently I'm in Bangalore and I have around 5+ years of experience in corporate. So where I see the students quality in Bangalore and the way of living and the thought process is so different than the peoples who are staying in my hometown, right? So there is a huge gap. That's what you mentioned very correctly. Inequalities there. Preferences is given more to this type of colleges. Only tier 1 colleges preference is given. But then what about these guys? What is the fault if they are coming from that geographic location? They don't have that much resources. So that's where we are trying to fill the gap and try to uplift the society from this angle as well, to provide the best quality educations to everyone. But let's see how we can do from our side as much as possible. And so one your advice for the early business people who are trying to build the business now. Yeah.
Business people.
Yeah. Yeah.
So business people also try to do it same way. Say for example, if they are selecting 10 IIMs, then they should try to select 1 or 2 from lower category, because lower category people are hardworking people.
Hardworking, true sir.
Hardworking, they are working very hard because they want to make their career. But because of their low score, because of the family problem, they could not afford high fees. Therefore, they have joined such C-grade institute.
Right.
So the company should give opportunity to such students also. Because sometimes one diamond we may find in a say in a bag of charcoal also.
Right, sir. Right.
That is also possible.
Possible. Correct. True, sir. True. Amazing, sir. It is really a great, talking to you, sir. And thanks for your, again, for a lot of precious time and valuable insights. We'll love to host again such, topic specific podcasts together if you allow us a time. Yeah. And thank you so much, sir, for sure.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Samir sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Samir, sir, for helping us a lot. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. See you in next video,
Bye-bye.
guys.
Thank
Bye.
you.